Welcome to GCCars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT Performance Edition. You can see all the stats on your right hand side, and yeah, in this POV test drive we're going to go through kind of a few of the different drive modes, 3 of them we have in this Mustang Mach-E GT, and yeah, we're going to do just to have a little bit of a drive through the city and kind of see how smooth it is in various different conditions and kind of like in slower speeds. You just saw all the stats on your right hand side, but let's take a look at the trunk and the frunk, because we do have both of them, right? So first of all, the trunk, popper open right here. Of course, due to the shape, we do have limited trunk space back here, but other than that, nice with the cubby here and the cover up there. We also have 2 more POV test drives. One on the highway where we test the assist systems and Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-off driving system. And then we have one at night where we test the headlights and the high beam assist. So you have a full-on picture of this Mach-E. That's our frunk. We have nice little storage up ahead, even have an emergency latch down here, of course, required by regulation. Mustang logo down there. You always have to slam Ford hoods. There you go. Or well, trunk lids in this case. Anyhow, for all my thoughts though on this Mach-E GT, click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the exterior, the interior. We drive it plenty and compare it to other electric cars. But let's go hop on in and drive it. Nice little intro there. Nope. Okay. That's the inside. I like the seats. Look pretty cool. Center console. And let's put it into drive. Let's go into this screen, which is where we have our modes. Whispers, regular, engage, sport, unbridled is Sport Plus. And then we have unbridled extent, which is essentially a track mode, which lowers the power output, but for that, kind of as a trade-off, that is, but you get like extended amount of time where you can use that power, so it kind of keeps the battery at like max possible output without needing to reduce the power further, so you can like have consistent performance on the track. We're going to do whisper, we're going to do maybe a little bit of engage, and we're going to do one pedal driving as well. Just kind of go through all the different modes. The infotainment itself, Sync 4, is a bit of a mixed bag. Don't want to talk too much about this here because I'll give you all these slots in the final review, but which would be a little faster. Cameras, of course. Where do we go back? Yeah? Yes. Okay. So you can see, like, even after a week, I'm still struggling a little to find my way. That is very nice indeed. Hopefully we'll get to review one of these in the not so distant future. We have used unbridled in the highway POV, so let's test engage. Instantly you notice the regenerative braking is stronger. whisper. And now we can also sit after, and the next slide we did activate one pedal driving. Not my choice of kind of driving, but some people like it, so we want to try it on the POV test drive as well. So let's activate one pedal driving, just simple one tap. And now we are in one pedal driving mode. Might be a little rough for me because, well, I haven't really used it all too much. I'm not a big fan of it. So if everybody that doesn't know what one pedal driving does in an electric car, so essentially the regenerative braking is very, very strong, even so strong that you would stop completely. And with one pedal driving, you essentially is always on, so strong that you can modulate it using your throttle. So you never really need to use the brake unless you have like an emergency situation. So like all this is, I'm not braking at all. I'm just getting off the throttle. Well, the accelerator. We don't have a throttle body in this. There we go. It does definitely take some time to get used to. And I think officially it's more efficient, but I can't imagine it. Like, I feel like coasting, if you know you're gonna come to a halt in a long time, like up ahead. I feel like coasting is more efficient than using your accelerator the whole time and then braking hard. But hey, I'm no engineer. But once you kind of get used to it, you can be very good at modulating your speed and kind of always coming to a stop at a good time. It's definitely convenient. It's just different compared to like a regular car. Yeah, so I haven't had to use the brakes even once so far. So it is very convenient for many people. But let's do one pedal driving off, because I do prefer regular driving. Everybody filling up before the gas prices hit $2. Thank you, Putin, for that one. But yeah, that was a city POV test drive here in the 2021 Ford Mustang GT, Mach-E GT, that is. And yeah, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this Mach-E, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for a review. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.